What's going on, y'all, man? It's your boy DP, about to get through or get started on a arm workout. You know, our guys like arms, so we're doing arms at the end of the week. Got my man Abdul with me.
His ass up.
But we're gonna go through some bicep, tricep workouts, pretty much alternating back and forth. Probably a little bit of forearm workout. Stay tuned to show you guys what we're doing and explain some of the workouts. Your boy DP. So, in this workout first series, we got barbell curls, 15 reps, seated tricep extensions, and then we got standing cable tricep pushdown. I always tend to focus a little bit more on the tricep than the bicep. A lot of people tend to not stress the tricep. You want a good, big ass tricep when working out. So, well, period. So we're gonna put a lot more emphasis on the tricep than the bicep. Bring him in. Try to get it. No rock, no rock.
Baby, no rock, baby.
None of this.
No.
None of this. Straight arms. Ha! Breathe. Woo! There you go. Curl. Drop. Curl. 1, 2, up. 1, drop. Up. Drop. Up. Yeah. Drop. Come up. So on this exercise, what we're doing is resistant hammer curls, hammer focus curls. So basically what you want to do, you can either get on a bench, bring that bench up, usually somewhere in the gym like we have over here, we have an actual focus curl machine. But while they're working on here, you know, you gotta get a little creative in the gym. So we have the bench here, and what I'm gonna do is as he's coming down, he's gonna resist that pull, and I'm gonna give him about 30 to 40% resistance, and then he's gonna pull it back. It's all gonna be his strength. So it goes like this, he got 5, pull. That's 1, down. 2, come on. I call this Thirsty Thursdays. Thirsty Thursdays. All men want big ass arms. All ladies like guys with big ass arms. So in order to have a nice set of arms or a nice rack of arms for my fellas, you gotta hit them in the right angles. So right now we're putting a lot of focus on that peak. Peak. You wanna make sure everything is defined, everything is separated and separation in your arms. So again, right now we're hitting that peak. I'm turning to the side. I'm putting a straight focus right there on top of that bicep. One, go ahead, pull. 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3. Usually people come straight to the forehead and back, right? We're gonna take it back here, behind the head, here, and push backwards. Woo! So I'm focusing on tricep, making sure I keep my elbows locked in. You want to make sure anytime that you're hitting triceps that you get full range of motion on that tricep. A lot of people think the range of motions here, our elbows are out and they're hitting tricep. You always want to keep those elbows tucked, full range of motion, so we can hit back in the back of your tricep.
Like you want to bow your arms out so bad,
But it won't let you.
yep.
It won't let you.
That's it.
Like going forward versus it's easier for me to tuck them. Yep. When I go behind my head.
Go. Whenever you on.
You want that support.
Yep. More. Up.
See, I know my arms are on tricep.
Yeah, that bad.
You want to kill it? Oh my God.
That band make a difference.
Man, make a huge difference.
I love that band. It's like, you want to fight, but
Where's that band from?
Chef Fat right here, man. You already know, click the link in the bio.
Go get you one. Buy one, get two.